When you're in college, future seems like years away, but time flies very quickly and you graduate. And you enter the real world with very less idea what to do next. Believe me, I was in the same situation a year ago, but things have changed very quickly for me. I have joined a company recently and I'm very happy with it. And I think this is because of my decision at upskilling with Simplilearn. Hi, I'm Sanjog. I'm 22 years old. I was supposed to graduate last year in April, but due to the pandemic, my exams were delayed almost for 8 months, and it's a huge gap. So I didn't want to waste any of my time. The lockdown for me was a great span of time. I not only completed my data science projects or courses, but also I upgraded myself in my artworks and my art skills. After completing my graduation, I thought that my resume was not good enough or it was not strong enough to get me my dream job. So I was looking for a certification. So while researching about the certification of data science, I found about Simplilearn. I went through their course structures and I was amazed. Like, they were also providing job assist program to me. So I decided to go with Simplilearn. So Simplilearn not only provides you a comprehensive data science course, but it also provides you help so you can reach your final goal, that is to achieve a job in a reputed company. As you can see, the entire content of the course was on point and covers a large number of technologies. I genuinely believe that this course is a job-ready program. It doesn't matter if you are a fresher or you have a lot of experience, you can still go for this course. Your ambition is as important as anyone else's, so keep working on it. Invest in yourself, allow yourself to grow, because your ambitions cannot be locked down.